Hello Form 2 student, I'm Mr. Zheng. So in this video, I'll try to go through chapter 7.5, applications of simultaneous linear equation in two unknown. Okay, and I'll try to do one type of question in this video also. Okay, so for application question, that means you see a long sentence. Okay, so for this situation, so a boys and a girl buy some apples and orange with different number of apples and orange with different price. Okay, then you want to see the price of apple and oranges. So maybe just like solving equation. Okay, the application question of solving equation. First of all, you should identify the problems, understand the problem, and then you should set two unknowns for the problems. So for this example, you should set the price of apple and orange respectively. Okay, so it uses x and y. And then for this chapter, you need to set two unknown as two equation. Okay, two equation to solve the two unknown. Okay, so for this example, the first equation is from the boy or the girl, the boy. Okay, the boy. And then the second one should be from the girl. Okay, and then you just apply the method we learned in chapter 7.1 to 7.4 to solve the simultaneous equation to get the result. Okay, and then finally, remember, you just find the value of x equal to and y equal to only, but you should also write down the word sentence, okay, to answer the question. Okay, so the cost of an apple is $4 and that of an orange is $3. Okay, so this is the procedure to do this type of question. Okay, again, understand the question, identify the unknown, so you should have two unknown, x, y, and then set two equation. Okay, two unknown, two equation, and then solve the equation, and remember, answer the question. Okay, that's it. Okay, so in the coming time, I will try to go through some different type of question with you. So for the first type of question is like example 13. Okay, it's about money. Okay, about some coins. Okay, so for this question, it say that Susan has some $2 coins and $5 coins, so two type of coins only. And the total number of coins is 13 and the total value is 53. Find the number of $2 coin and $5 coin that she has. Okay, so for this type of question, you should try to consider by the number of coin. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many number of coins, and also the value. Okay, so this is $5, so add them up, $10, $2, add another $6. Okay, so the value. Okay, so these are the two different properties. Okay, or two different quantity that we can know. Okay, from the coins. Okay, so before we apply the steps to solve this type of problem, I suggest you, first of all, you should try to analyze, okay, to understand the question. Okay, so I would like to do the question like this, because we are considering $2 coins and $5 coins, and we know that there are two different properties of them. One is the number of, one is the value of. Okay, so first of all, maybe we should give the unknown, because it's asked you to find the number of $2 and $5 coins, so you may just give an unknown to $2 and $5. Okay, so and then let's start to answer the question on the right hand side here. Okay, so let's x, y be the number of $2 and $5 coins respectively. Okay, So let X and Y be the numbers of $2 and $5 coins respectively. Alright. Okay, and then let's think about the value. So for $2, each coin has the value of 2. So for X $2 coins, the value of the total $2 should be 2x. Okay, that means 1 coin $2, 2 coin $4, 3 coin $6. Okay, so that's the same for $5 coins. Okay, and then from the question it say that the total, okay, the total, that means we add the X and Y together, it will be 13 coins. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 13 coins. And then for $5 and $2 coins, we add them together, the value should be 53. Okay, so it's clear that you can set two equations, okay, with one the number and the other for the value. Okay, so I try to write down the simultaneous equation on the right hand side. Okay, so after that we have already completed the very important parts of solving an application question. Okay, because we just need to set up the equation till here, and then for the other step is becomes very easy because you just need to set up something like this, okay, to solve the equation. Hello students, let's go back to the example 13. Okay, so I have prepared some cons here. Okay, so here are those cons. Okay, so it says x, y equal to 13, so it just counts the number of, so 1 con, 2 con, 3 con, 4 con, 5 con, 6 con, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so this is counting for the number of, okay, so the value of means you try to add them up. So this is $5, so total $10 here, $5, $13, okay, and so on. For $2, this is 2, 4, 6, okay, and so on. So 15 plus 6, this is 21. So this is the value. Okay, so you should understand what are the difference between them. Okay, so back to the question. Before that, we just set up two equations, right? Then we try to solve by a method of substitution or method of elimination. So in this way, in this question, I just try to use method of substitution. Okay, so I just take out equation 1, change subject. Okay, x equal to 13 minus y. It is equation 3, and then we put equation 3 to equation 2, so x become 13 minus y. And then we solve this equation because here we have only one unknown y, right? So 2 multiplied by 13, 2 multiplied by y. Okay, add them up, y equal to 9, and then put the 9 back into 3, the equation 3, x is 4. So finally, remember to write this, the final word answer. Okay, so there are 4 $2 coins and 9 $5 coins. Okay, so let's check it. So here we have 13 coins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and then here we have 4 $2 coins. Okay, and then 9 $5 coins. Okay, so here 2 2 2 2, add them up, $8. So here 9 $5 coins, so $45. So you try to add 8 and 45, it is 53. Okay, so this is the value provided by the question. Okay, so I hope you understand this type of question. So next, this is your chance. Try to do the question 4 of 13. Okay, and then here are the answer. You may check them by yourself. Okay, 6 and 12. Okay, see you